Hey guys, let's make a rope on Adobe Illustrator. Make a rectangle. Give it a stroke and increase the width of the stroke. From Direct Selection tool, select these 2 points and make them curved. Rotate it to 45 degrees. Now take Pencil tool. Double-click on the pencil tool icon. Make it smooth. Now draw lines randomly. Increase the stroke. Make it triangular well. Let's duplicate the lines and arrange them. Give it a fill. Maybe a lighter color will look good. OK. Select the shape. Go to Object, Path and Outline Stroke. Open the swatch panel now. Select all, drag and drop it on the swatch panel. Remove your shape. Double-click on the swatch you just made. Decrease the width. And click on Done. Now drag the swatch to your canvas. With Shape Builder tool, delete all the lines that's outside this square. Remove the remaining with Direct Selection tool. Scale it down a little bit. Open Brush panel. Drag and drop it in the Brushes panel. Pattern brush. Make the colorization method to tints. Your brush is ready. Make different shape with it. You can also change the color of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.